Poppy seeds, often overlooked, hold remarkable health benefits waiting to be discovered. Rich in dietary fiber and essential nutrients, these tiny seeds can aid digestion and improve heart health. Did you know they are a good source of calcium and iron, essential for strong bones and red blood cell production? Consuming a teaspoon to a tablespoon daily can make a significant difference. You can sprinkle them over your salad or blend them into smoothies for a nutritious boost. Incorporating poppy seeds into your diet with regularity can elevate your well-being. Embrace these tiny wonders and unlock their potential.